Once more, welcome to your favorite channel, Today's Pop. The goal of today's pop is simple: to help you to live a happy, healthy, successful, and fulfilled life. We are bringing your way a complete edition of how you can best make use of your stay at home time as presented by the pandemic of COVID 19. If you did not watch our previous episodes, please check the links on the description box and make sure you watch them. And also subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and share our links. We are poised to making sure that we deliver to you the simple goal that we promised. Previously, in the last edition, we stopped at the number 10 way on how you can maximize this time. So let's go ahead. Number 11. When you lack the time, it's possible that there were things you sign up without reading terms and conditions of those engagements. Sometimes you were too much in a hurry, or probably you played down the need to read through the manuals of some of the appliances and machines around you. You seem to have more than enough time now in your hands. Go back to those sites, books, agreements, and manuals. Read through them once more. The ones you are uncomfortable at, you could adjust it if you can, or alter them. The ones you can't do anything about it, just gain the information that you are stuck in it for good. Knowledge is liberating. 12. Chronicle your library of gratitude. You are alive, hence the myriads of testimonies in your kitty. Flash your memory back to your yesterdays and call to mind the past wins, survivals, achievements, and advances. Write out all the numerous successes of the past. A written down testimonial is as a plaque of achievement and a badge of honor. Will Nelson said, and I quote, "When I started counting my blessings, my whole life changed around." In the same vein, Marcus Tullius Cicero said, "Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others." Two things are associated with this. One, you'll be motivated by your past wins, meaning the more grateful you are, the more opportunities of winning you will notice or see. Two, the joy, the fulfillment that comes with gratefulness is incomparable. 13, it's time to carry out updates. Update your devices, your bio data, your profile information, etc. Look up your information on social media accounts to ensure that it aligns with your present status. Look at your documents, CV, resume, hard or soft copies to carry out the needed adjustments. 14. One of the things we have read up in recent times on how not to contract coronavirus into your body by touching your face with your dominant hand is to begin to put your non-dominant hand to use. That is, if you are left-handed, use your right hand to open the doorknobs and vice versa. Thoughts, advice: use this time to do something different. Actually gain dexterity and flexibility on your non-dominant hand and leg. Use this period to practice its usage to enhance mastery. Imagine you, after this whole serious season, will emerge practically with ambidexterity, both hands or both legs. The last, but certainly not the least, on how you can make your stay-at-home time productive. 15. Look closely at the people around you. Your mate, your spouse, your children, your parents, your siblings, any other relative, room or housemate that's living with you. John Madden said, "Coaches have to watch for what they don't want to see and listen to what they don't want to hear." Be intentional about uncovering their unique identities, giftings, and potentials. Pay close attention to discover their natural flaws and proclivities. Be the one to pop open their eyes to what they should be to for the rest of their lives. Meanwhile, are you sure you too are not in need of self-discovery, purpose finding, and destiny realization? If so, also offer this service to yourself as well now. But never forget, be someone's coach, mentor, teacher, or tutor today. Record some achievements now. Thank you for watching today's Pop, your favorite channel. We've come a long way on ways to make your stay at home time, this current lockdown, or whenever you have ample time to stay for a long period of time at home, productive to your life. We did the first episode, the second episode, and this is the concluding episode, the third episode. In case you didn't watch the previous episodes 1 and 2, the links are there on the description box of this video. Please look up those links, click on them. It will lead you to those episodes. Make sure you watch them, learn the lessons, get to know the ways to maximize your time, and please subscribe to this channel. Like our videos, share our links with your friends and loved ones and on social media. You are the best in all you do. All in all, have fun, and don't you ever forget, keep popping.